science lovers, let's observe this experiment. So here I have got a diary and I am going to push it. Let's see how far does it go. Okay, it didn't go very far because the frictional force is trying to stop the diary. Diary moved that way in the forward direction, and frictional force always acts in the opposite direction, trying to stop the diary. Now I am going to reduce the friction between this diary and the floor. Then let's see what happens. Okay, so to reduce the friction between the floor and the diary, I have stuck these 4 cars. I don't have wheels, so I am using the cars. Now I'll push it with a very less force. Let's see how far does it go. Oh, it reached really far. That's the magic of reducing the friction so that we can apply less force and enjoy. There are many day-to-day situations in which you can actually reduce the friction and enjoy applying less force and getting the work done. For example, if you remember, your parents might have used the bags, the suitcases, wherein the suitcases were not having any wheels, and your parents had to carry, or your grandparents had to carry the heavy luggage, heavy bags, heavy attaches, isn't it? But nowadays, what kind of attaches, what kind of suitcases your parents carry? They carry the attaches or the suitcases with 4 wheels. Okay, so now they needn't have to lift the heavy bags and go to the station, or while traveling it won't be a problem for them. They can simply slide the suitcase because there are wheels in it, and you needn't have to apply more force, so you can enjoy your traveling instead of thinking about the heavy bags, right? Okay, so now we know how to reduce the friction and make use of it in our day-to-day life. Now I would like you to quote few examples in the comment box, and I would be very happy to receive such examples. Now that's how I end the frictional series, and from tomorrow I'll be taking up a new topic. If you're liking my videos, please do like and subscribe it. Ta-ta.